Hey, beautiful people. Have you ever felt like you're always the one doing the chasing, wishing that just for once the tables could turn and someone would come after you? I mean, let's be real, it's nice to feel wanted, right? But here's the thing. Without self-love, self-validation, and contentment, no amount of attention or appreciation from others will give you the peace and love you truly deserve. It's all about finding that perfect balance. So without further ado, let's dive into the 4 effective ways to make anyone chase you. Number 1, embrace the power of mystery. You know those people who are just so mysterious and enigmatic, the ones who seem to have an aura of intrigue surrounding them? Yeah, those are the ones we can't help but be drawn to. Take Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan, for example. He's a character who's pretty silent and detached, yet he has an entire army of fans screaming in support and adoration. So, what makes him so appealing? According to Dr. Simone Riddell, mystery is closely linked to fascination. When we encounter something unfamiliar, our natural instinct is to explore and acquire more information. This behavior dates back to our early human ancestors, who faced constant danger and had to develop strategies to overcome it. A mysterious setting attracts us as a potential source of unprecedented knowledge, which is inherently fascinating. So, if you want to become a source of intrigue, start by adding more mystery to your life. Spend less time on social media and more on your hobbies. Focus on your own goals and practice listening more than speaking. Shift the focus to the other person and less on yourself. This will naturally draw people in, making them curious to learn more about you. Number 2, enhance your physical appearance. Let's face it, we've all been drawn to someone solely because of their physical appearance, and there's no shame in that. Good-looking people tend to receive more attention, but why is that? Studies have shown that when we rate people as attractive, we often attribute positive personality traits and higher intelligence to them. This bias means they're more likely to receive benefits like higher pay, more job opportunities, and better social skills. This concept is vividly illustrated in the webtoon Lookism, where the main character, Daniel Park, transforms from a bullied, chubby boy into a highly popular and agreeable individual after waking up with an attractive body. Another study highlights that attractiveness is closely linked to higher self-esteem. So, if you want to increase your appeal, work on building confidence in your capabilities and looks. Maybe you need a haircut or a new style. Explore and do things that make you feel empowered and self-assured. Dress well, take care of your hygiene, and learn to express yourself socially. Exercise and a balanced diet also have positive effects on self-esteem. Embrace your flaws and highlight your strengths. Developing your physical appearance isn't something done overnight. It's a byproduct of how you choose to live your life. You're already stunning, but maybe it's time to elevate it. Number 3, keep yourself busy. Aside from being mysterious, it's also essential to fill your schedule with fun and productive activities. This doesn't mean playing hard to get or using mind games like breadcrumbing, benching, or playing hard to get to make them miss you more. Those tactics are defense mechanisms and survival instincts for those with insecure attachment styles. Sometimes, you might feel like you're not being chased because you have too much free time. Keeping busy with other things and letting life flow naturally can help. Try hiking, going to the gym, or even partying. Being more active and productive allows you to meet new people, create more relationships, and enhance the quality of your social life. Number 4, be the best version of yourself. Everyone is unique and therefore chases after different types of people. So, how can you be the best version of yourself? Whether you're an introvert, extrovert, or ambivert, there's always something you can work on. In the pursuit of making people chase you, it's crucial not to lose sight of the most important tip, being genuine. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not. Instead, identify the qualities you admire and slowly integrate them into your life. Which qualities do you chase after and why? If it's physical attractiveness, focus on exercise and improving your looks. If it's personality or self-esteem, spend time on self-reflection, developing positive habits, and saying affirmations. Remember, we are all works in progress, and there will always be someone who appreciates you for who you are. So, have you ever chased after someone? What made you do it, and how did it end? Share your experiences down below in the comments. If you know someone who might enjoy this video, please share it with them. As usual, the references and studies used are in the description below. Until next time, friends, take care.